How have you found the last 2 days in this workshop?
Exciting, because we're all learning new things and being creative and productive, which normally I don't even get out my room.
So what are some of the things you've been learning over the last 2 days?
How to make TikToks and how to make videos with cameras and basically photography and videography.
Good. Now, what are some of the themes of the video? What is actually the videos about?
It's about North Ormsby and the stuff we could change and better and the stuff that we don't want to change.
Good. So you've been learning a lot about the local area and speaking a bit about things that you want to change and things that also that you like about North Ormsby.
Yeah.
That's good. What are some of the main skills that you take away? What are some of the main skills that you've been learning?
I'll be able to take away a lot of the stuff that I've learned and use it in my own videography and photography.
Oh, really, really good.
Next thing you know, I'll be on Sky News.
Really good. No, it's been good. Thank you for coming to the workshop, and it's been really fun working with you. Thank you.